What's driving markets? Welcome to Market Take. Each week, we'll bring you our insights on the latest market and economic trends that are impacting investments. I'm your host, Chris Weber, Head of Climate Research at the BlackRock Investment Institute. This week, we discuss how the huge power and capital demands of artificial intelligence are driving market volatility. News of a seemingly more efficient artificial intelligence model interrupted a rally in some usually placid utility stocks last month. This shows how AI's power and capital demands are now driving equity returns. We see structural shifts like AI transforming economies and markets. Markets recognizing the AI build-out's huge power needs triggered a surge in AI-linked stocks last year, including utility stocks. DeepSeek briefly challenged that trade in January, as markets feared heavy investment in AI and estimates of its power needs may be overdone. The quick reversal of that sell-off shows that markets now share our view that more innovation will likely still require large investment. That includes building artificial general intelligence that matches or surpasses human intelligence. AI is set to be a key driver of new power demand as the mega-cap tech companies funding the AI build-out stick with or even increase their spending. Other drivers of power demand include rising global incomes, reshoring, industrial growth, and building cooling needs. Extreme heat is driving air conditioning use, particularly in emerging markets where it is not yet widespread. Spiking power demand could add to the already huge investment expected in the energy transition and influence how the transition evolves in our view. In places like the US, where AI is a key driver of new power demand, we could see increased emphasis on natural gas and renewables. That's because the companies driving the AI build-out prefer power supplies that are always on, cost-effective, immediately available, and low carbon, a difficult combination. We still see a role for traditional energy as policymakers seek affordable and reliable power alongside low-carbon goals. Here's our market take. We see investment opportunities across power generation, grid infrastructure, and the electrical equipment value chain. We like utilities and power producers. We get granular to identify opportunities across the supply chain. For details, read our weekly market commentary. Go to www.blackrock.com/weekly-commentary. Thanks for tuning in. If you've enjoyed this episode, subscribe to Market Take wherever you get your podcasts.
This material is intended for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice, a recommendation, or an offer or solicitation to purchase or sell any securities, funds, or strategies to any person in any jurisdiction in which an offer, solicitation, purchase, or sale would be unlawful under the securities laws of such jurisdiction. The opinions expressed are as of the date of publication and are subject to change without notice. Reliance upon information in this material is at the sole discretion of the listener. Investing involves risks. BlackRock does and may seek to do business with companies covered in this podcast. As a result, listeners should be aware that the firm may have a conflict of interest that could affect the objectivity of this podcast. For more information, visit blackrock.com.